Hey everybody, Twoloosebricks here, and I'm here with 40588 gift with purchase, the flower pot set. And I'm just doing a quick review of it here, and I'm just going to pop this side off to show you what the insides look like for those of you who do not have the set or haven't built it, so that you can have an idea as to what it looks like. So the internal structure is basically built like this, with some plates and side panels and whatever, and rods going up and down through. So it's pretty sound structurally, and yeah, so it's a great little flower pot, and I just love the color coordinating and combinations, and the pussy willows, of course. They are really, really cool. They were my favorite growing up as a child, the pussy willow tree. It just looked so cool with the little fluffiness on the sides and everything. So this is a great set, and for being a gift with purchase, it was just totally awesome. Anyway, that is my quick review. I hope you did enjoy it, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, please. It helps us out, and there will be some more flowering videos coming your way very soon.